Alright guys, so in our last video, I just showed us how to connect your Payoneer to your Fiverr account. If you've not watched that video, please do wait to watch that video so that you can see how to link your Payoneer to your Fiverr account and be able to withdraw your money. And also, if you've not opened your Payoneer account, you can see the link in the description of this video. Just use that link to open your Payoneer account and then connect your Payoneer account. So this is Fiverr. Now in this particular video, I want to show you how you can easily withdraw your money from Fiverr to your Payoneer account. But before you do that, you must make sure you've watched the first video so that you'll be able to connect your Payoneer and your Fiverr account before you withdraw your money. Because I'm going to show you how to easily withdraw your money to your Payoneer account. Now, if this is your first time of seeing my video, you are welcome to DigiTrybe. In this place, I teach you how to make money online. So you come here to learn ways to make money online. You go out there, you create your own, and you start earning money for yourself. These are legitimate things I do to make money online. And when you start making money online, please do not forget to bring your tithe to the storehouse. And if this sounds like what you like, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then turn on your notification bell icon so that you will stay notified whenever I drop valuable videos like this. Alright, with that said, so let's dive into the video of today. So I'm going to go to my Payoneer first. I will show you my Payoneer. So this is my Payoneer. I see I have small amount here. As you can see, I get withdraw requests from Amazon and Fiverr. Those are the places I receive money from on this account. You can see this is Amazon, this is Fiverr, this is withdrawal to my first bank, this is Fiverr, withdrawal to first bank again. You can see so these are all legitimate things I do. And if I just go over to this place, you can see here that I have withdrawn quite some good amount of money from this place. It's just that okay, it is not all that is showing, it's just showing few of the updates. This is March and all of that, right? This is April, and I've not withdrawn anything for May, right? So because these withdrawals always come in the month, you understand, some are maybe in the middle of the month, some are at the end of the month, you understand. So let's first of all connect our bank to our Payoneer before we can withdraw from Fiverr. So you come to this manage right here. When you come to your Payoneer account like this, you're going to see manage. So you click on this manage right here, you can see bank accounts for withdrawal. So you click on this bank accounts for withdrawal to link your bank account. As you can see right here, this is my first bank account that is linked right here. So I can add account. If I want to add another account, I'll just click on add account right there. And as you can see, it's telling me to add my account. You can see, of course, it's Nigeria bank name. So I'm going to choose the bank name. Let me see if there's OPay here. Okay, let me just do that again. OPay. Okay, so there's no OPay. Let me see, there's PalmPay here. PalmPay. So there is no PalmPay. So basically, this place works with our regular banks like Access Bank, Citibank, EcoBank, Fidelity. You can see all of them: Guarantee Trust Bank, Jais Bank, Keystone Bank, Lotus, Optimus. Is that Optimus? Parallel, Optimus, yeah, Polaris, and just scroll down, you will see UB as well, United Bank for Africa, Unity Bank, Wema Bank, Zenith Bank. So these are the main banks we have in Nigeria. It doesn't work without the fintech banks, right? They've not integrated that into this place. So you can see First Bank right here. So make sure you just put your bank, then you click on next, follow the prompt, and then you add your bank account. So I've already added my own, and I don't want to add any other one again. So already I've added this one. This one, you can see, is verified. Now we've added our bank account. So the next thing we want to do is to come to where we have our Fiverr account. So this is Fiverr right now. So I want to go to my withdrawal. So to come to this particular place, the first thing you need to do is to, let me say we are on this place right now. So you click on this your icon right here, and then you switch to selling. You must be on your seller's dashboard. This is buyer's dashboard. So I'll switch to seller's dashboard like this. Then you are going to see my businesses. So you click on my businesses right here. Then you can see earnings. So you click on earning, then wait for it to load. Right, as you can see, under the earning, we are back to this place. So right here, I have $56 I want to withdraw. From this particular account, I've made over $800. You can see right there. So I'll just click on withdrawal right now. Already, I've showed you how to add this. So make sure you watch that video on how to add the account to Payoneer account to this place. So I'll click on withdrawal here. Then you can see my Payoneer is already here. So I can edit and choose the amount I want to withdraw. This is new feature that is being added. So I can edit it. Before it wasn't like that. So let me just close that. I just want to withdraw everything. You can see your payment processor may apply extra fees. I think Payoneer charges around $1 to $3 depending on how fast you want it. So I'll click on confirm and withdraw. Can see we are processing your request. Your funds should arrive within 1 business day. Got it. So you can see the money is out of this place right here. You can see, so withdrawn to date. I've withdrawn total of this. I've made total of this total. Then I've withdrawn this because I use this to purchase something here, right here on Fiverr. Sometimes I need something for my business. Maybe I need to do a logo. I need to get something done. I still come to Fiverr to purchase from other sellers. You get, so that is why you're seeing that. So let's see if the money will be reflected on our Payoneer account. So this is my Payoneer. Let me just click on home and see. Sometimes the money comes fast. You can see, bam, you can see the money has come. Before right now, before now, it was $38, right? It was $38. So right now you can see it is now $91. So let's see if um upcoming. Let me click on upcoming. There is no upcoming. Latest, I wanted to see if the transaction is here. It has not reflected there, though it's going to reflect here later. It has not reflected. So now we have the money here. Now we can now withdraw this money from here to my first bank account. So I'm just going to click on this $91. Now before you make withdrawal from Payoneer to any of your bank, in fact, before you withdraw from Payoneer, you must have at least $50. That is their minimum. You can't withdraw anything less than $50. You understand? So you must have at least up to $50 before you can withdraw. Also, you can sell to a person who is looking for Payoneer fund. People, if you go to all these exchanges, online exchange, you can sell to them if you want to sell to them, or if you want to withdraw to your bank account, you can also withdraw to your bank account. So I'll just click it. I'll just click on that USD, 91 USD right there, and see the total amount is this. So I can click on withdraw from here. You can see withdraw from here right there. You can also see withdraw from here, withdraw and convert. You can see, so whichever one you want to do. So let me click on this withdraw and convert right here. You can see withdraw to bank, manage bank account. You can also still add your bank account from here. So I'm going to click on this withdraw to bank, and we are coming back to the same place. This one, that's the one I want to choose because that's where I have my money. And then I'll click on this. Already I have other account there. You can see I have GBP, I have Euro. So I want to withdraw to my first bank. You can see because I added just my first bank. If you have more than 2 accounts, you're going to select which account you want to send it to. These things are very, very easy and swift if you understand how to do it. So I click on next. Now you can see minimum is $50. You can see it right there, but I have $91. So I want to just withdraw the full $91. You can see they're charging me a fee of $3.6. So what I'll be receiving in my account is $87. And that $87, they're telling me I'm going to be getting 116,000 naira. You can see it right there on this place. So this is based on their what um exchange rate right here is 1,328. So anyway, it's poor compared to the exchange rate we normally get from crypto trading, we get from our P2P exchanges. But if you look at it in another light, it's also not bad because this is good money. You understand? 116,000 naira at this place. Now another thing you also want to check is if you minus let's do the maths. I had 38 right there, so I had 38. So I want to check how much Payoneer charged us minus 91. Let's just do minus 91. Leave all this, leave other things, the other cents. Minus 91. So this is 53. So I actually moved 56, but at the end of the day, what entered my account was 53. And then from this 53 again, I'm still being charged $3.6 from withdrawing to my bank account. So at the end of the day, Payoneer is taking about $6-7 from me. And it's not bad because they have to be in business. You get, are you doing business for yourself? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes, because at the end of the day, you're using them to withdraw money. So oh, great. So let me just withdraw this right now and see if it's going to go to my bank account. So I'll click on next. Okay, so I tried processing it and fortunately I was logged out. I had to log back in. So you can see payment from Fiverr. This is it right here. This was what I got to my account. You understand? So let's go back to withdraw and convert again and do it again and see if it's going to go this time. I'm guessing it was network issues. So let's do that again. Select our money, select this, select the bank. The bank is already there by default. And click on this. That's what I want to withdraw. 116,000 and that. So click on next. Okay, description is optional. I don't want any description. You can put it if you don't want. Withdraw from USDT deposit on this. You check everything. Everything is correct. You can see everything is correct, and then you click on withdraw. So right now this one should arrive. Let's see. So I also have to enter my 6-digit code on this place. So let me just put my Payoneer code. Of course, it's part of security measures. So let me just put it. All right, so let me just put my code and then we'll continue. So that's the code. I'll click on next. Say we will deposit this to First Bank of Nigeria, this, and then we'll click OK. We are done. So if you come back to this account, everything should be back to 00, and then we'll start expecting another cash flowing again from my funding sources, right? So let me check my bank account right here and see if the money has arrived. All right, so you can see this is the screenshot of the money right here in my bank account. So basically, that is how you withdraw the money from Payoneer to your bank account. I believe you got the understanding and you also enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And most importantly, turn on your bell notification icon so that you'll get latest update from me on things like this. All right, guys, that is it for me in this particular video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.